Remember, Marysville, the louder you get, the crazier these drivers are going to be. Garrett Longmire, your first competitor, to stage up the line. Garrett stage, he's ready, the light goes green. Let him hear ya. We want air. We want air. Here comes Garrett down the back stretch. Did a little bit of loss. Goes the corner. A penalty will be added to that run as he did come on the corner. All right, Garrett, he's got one more turn to go. And he jumps across the line. The time for Garrett Longmire, 40.86 for Garrett Longmire. All right, Stephanie Rigsby, your current race leader. Stephanie's stage, here we go. He currently leads with a 43.52 in round number 1. Check it out, Stephanie gets a little squirrely after the first turn. Let's cheer on Stephanie. Another great run going. Stephanie, a fearless competitor in the Tuff Truck Challenge. And the final turn of the night. Here we go. And a time for Stephanie Rigsby. 40.5. Your new fast time of the night. 3.5. All right, coming up next, it's Kimberly Warren. It's a girl thing. Let's see if Kimmy has what it takes to beat that time set by Stephanie. Kimmy is off. I got my game on. All right, Kimmy's making her way around. Picking up. Almost goes for the monster truck tabletop. All right, Kimmy through the chicane. One last turn to go for Kimmy. Down the front stretch. And a great run right there for Kimberly Warren. It's a girl thing. 41.3. Haley, a rookie to the Tuff Truck Challenge. Let's see if Haley Shoup can get her personal best time right here in round number 1. Haley had a 51.50. Round number 2, let's see what she's got. Haley picking it up from round number 1. Has a good time going. Definitely looking at a personal best right here for Haley Shoup. All right. Making her way to the finish line. And how's that for a finish? Oh, 41.9, 20 seconds faster than round number 1 for Haley. A great run. But now, it's time for Steven. All right. Steven is ready to go. The light goes green.